Hello! Like the intro said, this is the Beeline Bennett channel, a channel about roadside America, cars, and more. I spent Saturday, October 10th, 2020, or at least the morning of that Saturday, at a car show in Oswego, Kansas. I attended another show there last month, and I can say I'm impressed with the local car scene. This show included some pretty cool 1958 models. A 1958 Corvette, white, with some red, the classic red interior that those cars were known for. At least the very first Corvettes were all white with red interior, we know. But that's a 1958. We have a 1958 Plymouth, black four-door. One way you can spot some 1958 models, I think nearly every car made in 1958 had 4 headlights, 2 on each side. And last but not least, coming up after the Plymouth, here we have a Chevy Bel Air 1958 model. And there were a lot of other cool cars to see at this show. One thing I found interesting that stood out, this car show included a 1955 Chevy Nomad. And as you can tell by the color, it was a different 1955 Chevy Nomad than 2 other 1955 Chevy Nomads that I saw at the Oswego car show / cruise-in back in September that I attended. So apparently the 1955 Chevy Nomad is very popular around Oswego, Kansas. Maybe some of the owners are hardcore home improvement fans. There were many other cars at this show. Pickup trucks, an old military vehicle, lots of Mustangs. The show was held at what they call their historic Riverside Park in Oswego. So it was a nice scenic location, and it was held during their Oswegofest festival. But if you're in the area of Oswego and you have a chance to go to one of their shows, I recommend you check it out. They're pretty good. They got some neat stuff. So, thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe. I could use a few more subscribers. Even YouTubers with millions of subscribers still want more, so I'll take a few too. Have a great day.